All right, Casey, you ready to go? Let's go. Oh. All right, Casey, you gotta let me in. I gotta drive us, Casey. I think I can drive like this. How about y'all? Okay, so yeah, guys, we're out here on a camping trip. We're going to the Wayne National Forest this weekend, and I know Casey is excited, right, Casey? All right, y'all, we made it at least a couple hours out. We're down here now at the Zanesville Riverfront Park, which is a very pretty little park down here. A little bit of walking space for the dog. Yeah, we're just filling up for lunch, and we're gonna get on our way to the National Forest pretty quick here. Here at this park, you can see there's this boat right here. It's Lorena Steel Wheeler. All these events and stuff. There must be some kind of historical significance to this boat, but I'm not sure what it is. I believe it is some kind of boat or something. It looks very old school, you know. It's pretty cool. Maybe take a quick skate around the park here, and then we'll get on our way. A little bit of water, Casey. Just got off 555. There were some crazy hills and turns on that street, and now we're on the real back roads here. It's the first dirt road we've been on, and still got 8 minutes to go, so we're gonna be in the middle of pretty much nowhere pretty quick. This should be cool. Oh, here we are. Alright guys, we are here. The Wildcat Hollow Trailhead, Wayne National Forest. Yeah, we're just deciding where to set up our tent, and yeah, this will be fun. Casey is happy to be here. Looks like we found a pretty cool little spot real close to the parking lot. So I'm thinking I'll set up the tent, see if it's possible to fit it here. It is really beautiful in here. Alright guys, so down here near the Wayne National Forest, not too far from where we're camping, and I was just looking for like a Dairy Queen or like a McDonald's or something to go in and get some Wi-Fi, but I found this random skate park, and it's actually pretty good. I don't even know what it's called, but like I just drove by it and I was like, oh my gosh, there's a skate park right there, and there's a Dairy Queen right across the street, so it's crazy. 10:40 and we're getting ready to go to bed, but it is officially quiet hour, so I have to be chill, quiet right now because there's other crazy people out here. Now it is quiet hours, but somebody is over there banging something. I don't know what it is. But tomorrow will definitely be more chill because we don't have to do all that driving. Good night, guys. Just woke up a few hours ago to some poop on my sleeping bag. And yeah, Casey here is really old. He has a hard time holding his poop. Yeah, we're going to get some cleaning supplies. Say hi, Casey. Super nice day out here. Made it to city of Athens down here, and I want to get back to the trail and hike and then come back here later. Alright guys, we are out here on the Wildcat Hollow hiking trail. Casey's doing good out here with his old legs. He loves hiking trails. Just got done a little session down in the Athens skate park, and oh yeah, that park was nice, big, a lot of stuff that I could handle actually. Yeah, as you can see, I'm wrecked from that because the sun, oh my gosh, like I planned to skate during cooler hours, but it is not cooler right now. This is hot, man. But anyway, there was this guy and like his friend, or like a couple friends maybe, who showed up looking at all these guys who are like all pretty good, just like trash talking everybody, you know. It was crazy. Dude was just sitting there with like a smug look on his face, like he was waiting for everybody else to leave. I can't believe that skater culture has that, you know, like it seems like something that should be very like nicer than average, because like you all have something in common, you know. You all been in the same place as a beginner. Just sucks to see stuff like that. Oh well, that's part of it, I guess. Like all these guys just chilling up here. Like I said, it's fun to watch. It's a nice park, so there's some good skaters that come to it, and I was surprised because Athens is not exactly known as a skating destination, but like there's a couple of good parks around here. I gotta go feed Casey and get a soda or something. Surprise treat for the dog. He's never had ice cream. Okay, I can't say that with 100% certainty before, but ice cream. Here you go, Casey. Let's go. Like that, Casey? That's cold, ain't it? I think he likes it. Ladies in there were so nice. They were like, they saw the dog in the truck, and they were like, "Would you like a pup cup?" And I was like, "What the heck is that?" Never heard of such a thing, but they have pup cups. They're like really small cups of vanilla ice cream. KC deserves it. He's a good boy. All right, once again we are on our way back to the Wildcat Hollow trailhead. And this is what the drive looks like at night. Good 10-15 minutes driving on roads like this to get to the trailhead. Real beautiful back here, but real eerie in a way. Just nothing back here. The occasional house, but it just feels so empty. Alright guys, it is like 9 something. Very dark out here in the woods. You can just barely hear the music coming from the RV all the way out at the parking lot. We are a good few hundred yards into the trail here, middle of the trees, preparing for our second and final night here at Wildcat Hollow. Nice long ride back tomorrow. I've got an interview at Chick-fil-A, so I've got to get myself clean and presentable somehow. Hope you enjoyed watching the skate clips and stuff, and yeah, this was a really fun trip, especially with Casey. Basically concludes our Wayne National Forest and Athens road trip for this weekend. Stay positive, keep the noise down for the other crazy people, and remember, B&M sucks. Good night, guys.